Hello students, this is the question that related to hyperbola. I am going to explain you. This you can short by short method also, and some important formula I will explain you also related to hyperbola. First see that what is the question. You have to read this carefully. The line 2x plus y is equal to 1 in tangent to the hyperbola. This hyperbola is given x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is general equation of hyperbola. If this line passes through the point of intersection of the nearest directrix and the x-axis. So given line 2x plus y is equal to 1, it passes through the intersection of nearest directrix and x-axis. So we have to understand that what is directrix and what is x-axis. Then the eccentricity of the hyperbola is, we have to find out eccentricity E. So let's see how you will solve that by short method. So here y is equal to given minus 2x plus 1 passes through the a upon e 0, and this a upon e equal to 1 by 2 by y is equal to 2x plus 1 touches the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So equation become 1 is equal to 4a square minus b square. We can put value of b square, that is a square, and in bracket e square minus 1, this is the value of b square. Then after that, solving this equation, we can find out the value of e very easily. E square is equal to 2. Now see that how you solve this by short method. If you know all the formulas of hyperbola, you can solve by this very short method. But if you don't understand the formula, so here I will explain you how you will solve that by long method also. So here on the board I will show you given line 2x plus y is equal to 1. This is line given 2x plus y is equal to 1. So we can transfer it, y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. And now one important formula of hyperbola is that if line y is equal to mx plus c tangent to the hyperbola, this is general hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1, then what is the formula? We can write equation of tangent y is equal to mx plus minus square root a square m square minus b square. So then what is the value of c? If you will compare that value of c, then c is equal to plus minus square root a square m square minus b square. After squaring that, we can get c square is equal to a square m square minus b square. By using this value, now this c square is equal to a square m square minus b square, we can find out this equation. This 1 is equal to 4a square minus b square. So these equations comes from here. So after put here value of c square and m square. So what is value of c and m? So given that line y is equal to 2x minus 2x plus 1, this is line given, and y is equal to mx plus c, this is the general line. So after comparing that, we can find out m is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 1. So we can get that formula 1 is equal to 4a square minus b square. So how you will get that? See, we find out m is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1. So put here c is equal to 1, so c square equal to 1. So m is equal to minus 2, so m square is equal to 4. So 4a square minus b square. So this formula we get from here. So this formula is equal to this, 1 is equal to 4a square minus b square. So here's the method that how you can find this formula, 1 is equal to 4a square minus b square. Now next, another important thing related to hyperbola. What is directrix? Directrix of hyperbola is always perpendicular to x-axis and intersect it at the point plus minus a upon e 0. This. So everything is given here. What is directrix? Directrix of hyperbola is perpendicular to x-axis and intersects it at the point, this intersect at the point plus minus a upon e 0. This is the directrix. At 2 points it intersect, first 1 upon e 0 and second minus 1 upon e 0. So nearest directrix, here in questions given, the line passes through the point of intersection of the nearest directrix. So which directrix is nearest? So we can find out the line y is equal to minus 2x plus 1 where e intersect x-axis. For we know that for x-axis we can put y is equal to 0. So next, if we will write y is equal to 0, so put y is equal to 0. So line given y is equal to minus 2x plus 1, if we will put y is equal to 0, then x is equal to, we can get from this equation 1 by 2. So this line intersects x-axis on a point 1 by 2 0. So this equation number 1, this point number 1, this point number 2. Now so by comparing these 2 points we can find out a upon e is equal to 1 by 2. So this a upon e is equal to 1 by 2. Here we can find out this a upon e is equal to 1 by 2. This value we can find out by this method. So if you understand this all the formula, then you can solve it here by directly you can solve. But if you don't know the formulas and definitions, you have to solve by this long method. So for hyperbola, this formula also you have to remember, b square always equal to a square, e square minus 1. This formula b square is equal to a square, e square minus 1. Here we can write b square is equal to a square, e square minus 1, and value of a is equal to e upon 2. Here the value of a is equal to e upon 2. So we can put here value of a is equal to e upon 2. So after solving this we can find out e always greater than 1. So e square never equal to minus 1. This e square never equal to minus 1. So what is our answer? E is equal to 2. So thank you students. If you like this solution, please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel.